Hi there and welcome to the Welsh Hobbyist. Just thought I'd do a quick little intro video for the channel, just outline the purposes of the channel, what will be on here and what you can expect down the line. So the purposes of this channel is mainly hobbying. Be a little bit of travel in there. There'll be potentially some sort of car boot sort of charity shopping. Depends how the eBay sort of situation goes on. At the moment I'm actually just selling my personal items on there, but I do enjoy going to a car boot. I do enjoy a little look around a charity shop. I found some items for myself for like walking, and some jackets and tops, usually really some good stuff in them. So there might be some footage of that. It depends if they allow it as well. But yeah, I'm going to put a link into my website, into my Vinted and eBay sort of stores for you down in the description. When it comes to uploading, it's going to be sort of irregular to begin with because I'm not actually used to doing this sort of thing. You can tell I'm actually quite nervous when it comes to being on a camera, so you have to bear with me on that one for a little bit. It should probably improve over time, but yeah, it might be twice a month, might be 4 times a month. It depends really. It depends how many walks I go on. Depends on what sort of items I sell. If I want to show you guys what I've sold over the course of a week, let's say. But yeah, I'm a new dad, so it takes up a lot of time as well. I love spending time with my daughter, and so I got to sort of balance how I'm going to do this. The main overall objectives for the channel is to have fun. It's mainly a hobby channel, so I can just pick up things which I would never normally do. Like, I'm going to start doing some walking, so I'd like to do quite a few local ones on the mountains. So we've got like Macon Mountain here, we've got like Penavan. I've never been at Penavan. I'm a Welsh born and bred lad. Penavan is usually a rite of passage, and I've still not done it. There's a couple of places like Sugarloaf as well in Abergavenny, which I'd love to do as well. But I want to make sure that this channel is also very friendly, oriented, so family friendly. But yeah, overall, try and keep it sort of, just sort of a chill sort of atmosphere. I want to make sure that I can put videos up there that's like going to be memories for me, the family. We can rewatch them back in the future, and also you guys can sit there and enjoy it as well and come for the ride. Yeah, so as I mentioned, I've got an eBay and a Vinted store. Have a little look at them. I'll put a link in the description. It's all for my personal items. Vinted, I've not been using it that much recently, but probably will start using it again depending on the items that I would put on there. But yeah, have a little look, see what you think. If there's anything is interesting you, drop me a message and we'll take it from there. Here are some videos of the items that sold last week. 3 items ready to be packed. I've got a white, looks like a toothless dragon from How to Train a Dragon. It's got a D-Wall C mark on the bottom, which is usually a good thing to try and find. So if you could see it on there. But yeah, it's got a little bit of motion in it. Obviously it's a bit soft on the back. It's got these. But yeah, someone's picked this up, £6 plus postage. No problem with that. Next up is a set of Carrera sunglasses. Well, no, they're not sunglasses, they're ski glasses, but they're made by Carrera. It's on the adjustable backing of it. Yeah, it's a nice little brand. I've never seen these ones on the market, but they're called Adrenaline Super Gold. As you can tell, the gold reason because of the actual visor on it. I can't remember when I picked these up now. It's been a long time that I had these ones, but they go in for £12 plus postage, and they'll be shipped out tomorrow. We've got a attic find. It was from my partner's granddad's house. I'll have to move this up a little bit. Bear with me a second. It's called a BT Relate. It's in this box. It's there, ready to go. It's never been used. I want to make sure I get the damage there and there. As you can see, still got the actual kit inside. Very retro, very old school. I don't know if someone's going to try and plug this in or not, but yeah, I think it's just £15 plus postage. Going to be sent out tomorrow. Hey guys, well it's Tuesday. Monday was no sale, so we have 2 small ones today. Like I said, I don't really mind having no sale days. I'm just slowly making my way through the personal goods. But yeah, we'll see what we have today to send out tomorrow. The first one we got is Hot Wheels. So I had quite a lot of the Batman ones, and this one was a long card version of the Batmobile in white. You'll see, have a look at that. It's a nice little item, really. But yeah, it's in pretty good condition. You know, there's some minor markings on the card. A little bit of a marking, but there some people can be quite particular about, so it's better to keep them as tidy as possible. But yeah, that's the first one. That's quite easy to pack. It was only £3 plus postage, so nothing major. But like I said, I'm just getting rid of stuff now. But yeah, if you see any of these about, they're worth picking up. And then the second item for Tuesday is a bit of a flash from the past, actually. It's like a Y2K, oh, I call it a Y2K animal belt. Like, I used to have a lot of cook silver, really, but animal was always there. But I always thought it was more of the ladies' version, but it's sort of a skater, sort of surfer brand. I'm not sure if they're still about, but yeah, I saw this years ago, and I liked it. I used to do a lot of skateboarding myself. And I thought, why not pick it up? But it has a bottle opener with it, good clasp. It's what was it, 1.5 meters, I think, in length. But yeah, a little close up of it. It's in not bad shape for the age of it. But yeah, see any of these about, people do buy them for the nostalgia sort of look. But yeah, keep an eye on them. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this was £7 plus postage. I usually use Yodel or Every, and it's £2.69 for the Yodel one on this one, so it's under a tenner for this product. But yeah, keep an eye out for them. Yeah, there's another 2 more sales today, just a couple of quid for both, really. So we had Football Director DS. It's got the manual in it. It's got all the game and whatnot. It's in pretty good condition. It's only a couple of quid. So that'll be out tomorrow. As well as then we have a Disney Pixar's what's his name? Lightning McQueen, a plush. It was £6.95 plus postage on that one as well. So nice little deal on that one there. But if you ever see any of these sort of ones, they usually sell pretty well. Same as the How to Train Your Dragon sort of stuff. So always keep an eye on it for them. I've had this for a while now, and it's time just to pass it on for someone else to love. But yeah, 2 more out tomorrow. We have a trio of sales today. Let's just get right into it. Professor's Brain Training Logic. It's got the manual, it's got the game, everything in it. It's only a quid. It's not really worth much, but it's nice just to get rid of it and make a little bit more space in the cupboards. Next one we have is a Panasonic Theatre System remote. Got it in one of my cupboards. You just leave stuff in there most of the time. You never know. It's a couple of quid in these, and it's the same with the Sky TV remotes. Worth checking, worth selling. £5 plus postage on this one. So yeah, that'll be going out tomorrow along with that. Professor Training. And then we have a pair of Converse size 8. They were used, but in very, very good condition, considering. Good tread on them, a little bit dirty, but it is what it is. These were £15 plus postage on these, so not bad considering. I've never really seen this one before. A friend gave them to me ages ago. He's like, you know what, you couldn't get on with them, we were rubbing a little bit, so I said, you know what, I'll have them off your hands, I'll sell them. But yeah, so 3 of those out, makes 10 sales now this week. It's never normally like that, but it's nice to get some stuff shifted. January usually is a bit slow, according to everyone on YouTube anyway. But yeah, happy with that. That's £21 I think it is all in there, plus the postage, so happy days. As you can tell, not very good on a camera, but I am going to get better over time, I think. But thank you very much for watching. If you've made it this far, if you could leave a like, subscribe if possible, some constructive criticism would be fantastic even. But yeah, notification bell, there's a button on there, just click that one as well, so it'll keep you up to date with anything I post. Like I said, my posting will be varied, so it won't be set times and whatnot. So yeah, if you can do that for me, that'd be fantastic. But otherwise, thank you very much again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.